showing your goodness to others with your nature, behavior, acts, etc. Kindness can be done for all living things, irrespective of caste, religion, gender. We don't need to be rich to show kindness to others. All you want is the attitude of helping others. Acts of kindness don't take anything from you, rather it will give a big impact in the life of another person. Nowadays, people don't have time to show kindness with others as because they are very busy in their work. There are some people in the society who gather resources and start charity for the different people. Thank you.